Hey y'all, good morning. It's Christine Beauty 101. Welcome back to my channel. If you are already a member, hi, how are you guys doing? I hope your week's going great and your weekend will be even better. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and give this channel some love, and I will most definitely do it back to you guys. But yes, so crazy story is we were supposed to be out of the house on the 21st because we're moving. No, we got told on the 1st that we have to be out of the house on the 4th, which is tomorrow. So we had 3 days, y'all, 3 days to do everything, load a truck, because we had a moving truck coming in on the 16th, and we were going to load it up on the 16th. No, we had to try to get a truck in earlier. A truck came yesterday around like 8:39, maybe 10, somewhere around there. Loaded it up with the stuff that was in the garage that we already packed up. So now we're only dealing with the things that we have in the house. It was a disaster yesterday, y'all. Okay, we were supposed to have up to 6,000 pounds on the truck. The paper went and said we have to do 3,000. So we're super crazy, and then it went from 15 foot to 12 foot. So we're like, oh my God, really? So we had to work with it. Me, my mom, which she's my stepmom, and my fiance, we're going up to Texas because that's where we're moving to. So we're going up out there. And my dad and my brother is going to stay down here because they have to finish with the foreclosure and they have to do a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're leaving Saturday morning to head up to Texas, which is from where I'm at. I live in Berkeley right now, so that ranges from 22 to 23 hours depending on where we are going. But today I am going to do three hauls for you, maybe 4. But the first one I am going to do is this Shannon box, because we opened up the little bit of the Christmas stuff that we already had downstairs. We just opened it. My fiance got this for me. I wanted this for a while, and this is the box set I like, so he went and got this for me. It is $59.99, so I'm going to go ahead and get started because I have still a lot of stuff to do. Literally just woke up. I've been so tired, you know, you can see it, out of breath already. But sorry about the echo, sorry about how this video is. This is only really the only spot that we have because we're getting rid of all our beds, and we're going to get new beds when we're up there. So it wasn't really a good night's sleep, but it is what it is, you know, you gotta deal with it. So the first thing is this Luxe Lash Curler, Black and Silver Edition. I'm not going to open up anything, I'm not going to swatch anything because I don't really have time, but I will have time to do hauls for you guys. There was that. And then there's this 10 color eyeshadow palette. Super pretty. I'll open it up because I did open them, so it's not so sticky anymore. Well, this one's a little sticky, but it is what it is. Feels like I'm getting a cold. Like my sinuses are all over the place, you guys, so just bear with me this morning because it's like 7, 8 o'clock. Been up since 6. And that's what the packaging looks like. Super cute packaging. You love that. And then you get a little brush, 10 colors, and a mirror. Like I said, I'm not going to swatch anything. I'm just going to go over the box with you guys. Then you have, like, you know, the little papers they give you about it, which I'm not going to go over that, and a welcome packet. There's this beauty blender. Which is cute because it has a little teardrop here. So I think that would be great up in this area to really get up there. Maybe if you want to put a highlight up there, you can use that little tip with a highlight. That might work very nicely. Sorry, I'm like all over the place this morning. You get a small little pencil sharpener. The small one they call. I'm not going to take it out. I took it out yesterday. Then you got a pop socket, which is wake up and makeup. I don't really use these, but I might use this one. Who knows? You got a thing of lashes, which these are very pretty. I don't really like wearing lashes. These are very dramatic and stuff, but I might give these a try. They do have black lace up here, the black rubber. So I might give these a try and see if I like them, because last time I had lashes on, I did not like it. It aggravated my eyes. I don't know if I cut them right to where it lined it up with my eye right or not, but I will deal with that. And then I got this Kiss My Lash to help put on your lashes, which was cute. You have literally like everything you need in here. You have this small little dispenser. There's nothing in it. You can fill it up with your shampoo, hand sanitizer, anything you want to put up in here. It's pretty nice. I love the color. Pink's my color, so I was kind of happy I got that. You got a 12-pack matte lip liner set. There's 12 in here. I'll open this up and I will show you what they look like, because this one I did not open and I thought I opened it yesterday, but no. But I'll open it and show you what one of them look like. Okay, so this one is called Red Velvet. I guess I'll just go ahead and read all the names out for you guys while I'm at it. Okay, this one is double chocolate. And then this one is cherry glaze, which I'm excited to try that because it is very pointy, very pretty color. So I'm excited to try that one. This one is Tutti Frutti. This little pretty color there. And then this one is Sparkles and Cream with a K, which that one's very pretty. Like I said, I don't want to swatch any of these because I really have so little time. And this is hashtag, oh, never mind. This one's powdered sugar. And it's like a nude color, which nude is like one of my favorites. And then this one's cinnamon spice. And this is berry jelly, which this looks like very pretty pink. And this one is mapled ice. This one is called strawberry frosted. And then this one is lemon raspberry. And then salted caramel, which I'm going to swatch the salted caramel for you so I can tell you the texture of it, but this is the only one I'm going to do. I haven't used lip liner in a long time. I had like 30, 40 lip liner pencils, but I gave them all to my sister and her kids. It is very creamy, very pigmented, very pretty. So I am happy about them, and they do come in the box. Okay, so there's only a few more items in here. And then you have all that She Wants 12-pack lip gloss set. These are adorable. Sorry, I have like acid reflux and stuff. These are adorable. You can put this whole little case in your bag to go, and you have all these lip colors to choose from. I'm assuming by what the shades look like, they are all the same in color shades as the lip liners, as what it looks like. The glare is horrible. These videos are going to be horrible, but just bear with me, y'all. Okay. I have these 4 cute little eyeshadow packets. There's this one that is adorable. Then there is this one. Very pretty color, so I'm excited to try these. And this one. And then this one. I love the purple and the pinks in this one. This one has to be one of my favorites in the colors. Okay. So you have a shining lip gloss chapstick, which is super cute. It smells good. It's like a vanilla like cake type of smell. It's not so much like icing, it's like vanilla cake. That makes sense. And then this is a a slim eyeliner pencil, and it's in blue, like a navy blue. Super excited to try that. Okay, so I have 2 items left in the box, which these are like absolutely my favorite. Going to open these. You get it's a 14-piece brush set, black bamboo. Show you what they look like. Super excited for these. I'm just going to bring out one and show you guys what they look like. These are very soft, so I'm only going to bring out one, but there are 12 in here. Like, look at that. Super pretty. This is worth the $60. If you ask me, you get quite a bit in here. You get a whole brush set, 14 brushes in here, 14 brushes, and then the last thing is this beauty book. This is one of my favorites as well, and it's also one of my favorite colors as well. Oh, if I can get it out. Oh, I got it. Just a little difficult. Okay. This is the book. It's pretty, just like the box, you guys. Okay. So you open it up. This is the first side. The little mirror, the lipsticks, the blushes, the highlights. And it comes with one of these protectors. And then you got the eyeshadow and some more blush, it looks like, and some brush sets. Super pretty. Sorry that was an awkward little hold, but it is what it is. Okay, so that completes the shany box. I will link the link down below and the info for this box if you enjoyed this kit, and if you want to get it and try it out as well, it's down below. But yes, I'm going to end this video and then start my other video right behind this. So I will link that in this video as well, because I will post this one up first. Okay, thank you guys for joining me today and watching this haul slash unbox. But yes, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope it's a better, less wrecked day than mine is. But yes, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you show some love. I'll show some love back. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.